Hello, today we're going to be talking about assistive technology. Individuals on the autism spectrum disorder can have challenges in the areas of communication and language, academic, cognition, and transition. To better support individuals with ASD in these areas of deficit, there are certain assistive technologies that can be used to provide intervention. These technologies can either be high or low-tech assistive technology. High-techs are complex technical support strategies that include high-cost equipment such as complex voice output devices, video cameras, computers, adapted hardware, apps, and tablets. Low-techs are strategies that are low-cost. Examples are visual supports, dry erase boards, file folders, pictures, highlighters, and the person's body to express themselves. Communication and language assistive technologies. Picture Exchange Communication System, PECS. PECS use pictures and symbols that the student can point to or hand over to get something they want. When using PECS, the student is required to interact with another person. PECS are easy to make using pictures that are meaningful to the student. Pictures and words can be added as the student develops and learns how to use PECS. Educators can print color pictures from a computer and laminate them for durability, or they can also purchase PECS products at their website. There are also different items that can be bought as well as training for educators and service providers on how to implement PECS. Another low-tech assistive technology is sign language. Sign language is an unaided system that does not require a tool or device, only one's own body to communicate with another person. Sign language helps to develop open communication skills and provides the individual with ASD a way to communicate. Many children with ASD will never fully develop the ability to communicate effectively through words, and sign language can be a good option. Parents and educators can watch online videos on basic sign language or take sign language courses at their local community college. Communication and language assistive technologies that are high-tech. The Tobii Dynabox Hindi is a speech-generating tablet that the child or adult can use to create sentences by touching symbols and pictures on the screen, and the device projects its voice. The Tobii Dynabox is a handheld device and it's flexible and portable. It can be purchased at the website tobiidynabox.com for $999. The basic includes a tablet and charger with the pre-installed Snapcord First AAC app. Cases and other accessories can be purchased separately. Speak for Yourself is an augmentative and alternative communication app that allows individuals with ASD to communicate their needs. The app has a core vocabulary of 300 to 500 words. It can be purchased at the App Store for iPad or iPhone for $149. Now we're going to be moving on to assistive technologies for academic and cognition that are low-tech. An example of a low-tech technology is file folder activities. Fire folder activities support the student to independently focus on numerous academic tasks such as matching, focusing on colors, shapes, alphabet letters, common nouns, familiar people, categories, and relations can be developed for the student, as well as focusing on reading comprehension skills, math skills, and generalization skills. File folders can be purchased at online stores like Teachers Pay Teachers. Highlighter tape is another low-tech assistive technology. As we know, many students with ASD experience difficulty with reading comprehension. Highlighter tape is a non-destructive way to highlight keywords pertaining to a reading comprehension questions. Highlighter tapes can be purchased in different stores or websites. Academic cognition, high-tech assistive technologies are, the first one is Main Idea Sentences. This is an app that supports reading comprehension, skill, and practice for struggling readers. The learner has the opportunity to work on reading comprehension by identifying the main idea of the stories available. It uses incremental and errorless learning, reward activities, and data collection. The app is compatible with both Android and Apple devices. It can be purchased at the Apple Store or Google Store for $6.99. Natural Reader. The Natural Reader can be downloaded as a software, used as an online reader, or download as an app for tablets and phones. Natural Reader is a text-to-speech app that reads text, PDFs, web pages, and ebooks. It can be connected to the Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive accounts to listen to files. Natural Reader is free for individuals to use. Next, we're going to be talking about transition content that are low tech. This can be visual schedules. Visual schedules show students the order of activities across certain time periods. The predictability helps students complete daily activities effectively. Visual schedules can easily be created using a computer and printing it out. Most children with ASD are visual learners. The visual schedule has pictures along with words that help the child understand what they need to do. Visual schedules assist the student in completing a specific task by presenting each step clearly and offers predictability to help reduce problem behavior that may arise during transition. Social stories is another low-tech assistive technology. Social stories are written in first person and are individually written to meet the needs of a specific student. Social stories can be written for various difficult social situations that the students might have. Social stories gives the student virtual information strategies that will improve his understanding of the challenging transition and specific behaviors to use in those situations. Social stories can be written by the educator with visual representation that the student will be able to understand. Next, we're going to be talking about transition content that are high-tech. The first one is video modeling. Video modeling is a recording of a target behavior or skill. The student watches the video and then has the opportunity to perform the target behavior. The video can be recorded with a tablet or phone. Next, we have something that is new and is using to provide treatment for students with or individuals with ASD, and that is virtual reality. Virtual reality is a computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment. Students with ASD can develop and practice social skills in a non-threatening environment. So now, we know that there are several assistive technologies that can be high-tech or low-tech to provide intervention for students with ASD in different areas. Thank you.